I'd like to give you a brief overview of the range of Westermann machines for landscape and gardening work and also agriculture. So we start off here with the WR870 range. There's three machines here, one with a wire brush, one with a poly brush, one with an Astro brush. These are powered by the Honda GXV commercial grade engine. The GCV is also available as a lower cost alternative. The first machine has got the wire brush on. This is the go-to machine for clearing moss off block paving, tarmac, concrete or even wooden decking. The second machine has got a double poly brush on. This is a very good machine for AstroTurf and just general brushing, ideal also for resin driveways. The third machine is the AstroTurf brush. Now this is perfect for renovating and also regular maintenance of tennis courts, 2G, 3G, 4G pitches, also to be used regularly to rejuvenate areas where there's been heavy wear. The next three machines are the weed ripping range. These are a 660, a 430 and a 330. The numbers designate the actual width of the machines in millimetres. So these are perfect for removing heavier weed growth off all kinds of surfaces. All machines are available with power from a Honda GCV or the Ego range of electric machines. The runtime on the electrics is up to 2 hours of continuous use. The smallest one is the 330. This is available with also an electric motor. Moving on now to the agricultural range. The first machine here is the WS800 pusher. Now this is available with this shield on at the moment, which extends to 1600 millimeters. There's forward and reverse on these machines, powered by battery, up to 2 hours use. We also have a variety of implements for the front of this. There's a feed pusher and also a box scraper. These are primarily used for clearing out slurry in cubicles and farm applications. Onto the ride-on now. This again has got a box scraper on the front with the optional cubicle brush. Now this is powered by a 2-cylinder engine and also it's a fully hydrostat machine. It's available also with a Honda single-cylinder engine on it. It can power various other applications with regard to moss clearing and even snow clearing with a plough. Thank you very much.